If you're looking to draw love into your life, then create your own love talisman. It's easy and so effective. Create your own love talisman. I recommend you do this on a Friday, as Fridays are the best days to do rituals for love and attraction. We're going to be using a rose quartz stone, as well as your favorite love drawing, oils, and perfumes. You'll also need a pink or red mojo bag, a pink or red candle, as well as a few herbs that I'll show you in just 1 second. Now you can use whichever perfumes or oils you prefer that can help you in this love talisman, but today I'm using chuparosa, attraction, and love. As you anoint the stone, visualize being with your soulmate. Imagine what they look like, how they sound, how they make you feel. Carry this beautiful feeling with you as you say, I am worthy and deserving of true love. I am open to receive it. I'm using fresh rose petals, as well as cinnamon sticks, rosebuds, some pink Himalayan salt. Now once again, you can use your favorite herbs that can aid in love drawing. Now you can go ahead and light your candle. And once that's done, you can go ahead and place it inside your mojo bag. Remember to focus on your intention. You want to focus on that feeling of love and visualize the person or the feelings that you are trying to call into your life. You can carry this talisman with you during the day, and you can place it under your pillow at night. To recharge your talisman, you can do so in the light of a full moon. Make sure to pray over it to energize it with your intentions and prayers. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on the next one.